there, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Vada wig from the Amore line. And this is in the color Creamy Blonde. This is a really beautiful standard sort of bob with a soft gradient here on the sides. It is a little bit shorter back here, but ever so slightly. As you can see, it does kind of go below my collar here, but it wants to kind of curl a little bit inward or outward, depending on where you're looking. Kind of hugs the face here. Now this hair, dare I say it, has almost like a yaki texture to it. It's a little rough, especially by Noriko, Rene Paris, Amore standards. The hair tends to be very silky textured, a little bit shinier than this. So this is right out of the box. You can see this blonde looks really nice and natural. It's a little bit shiny, but it looks kind of like well-conditioned hair as opposed to, oh my gosh, Party City, right? I think this is a great cut. This has a lace front and a double monofilament top, so it's quite opaque. So you can see there's a little bit of a line, and it's really obvious on this really light blonde color. But you can kind of see where that shift happens. If this bums you out, just get a little bit of flesh-colored silicone medical tape and put it on the underside of the wig where the part is. That will completely eliminate that issue for you and make that a seamless part. Now here's what my side coverage looks like, so you can see my bio hair, the salt and pepper in all of its glory, poking out right there. So pretty decent coverage. This is a little tight on me, but it's an Amore wig. Most Amore wigs fit me kind of on the snug side. I've got an average large cap circumference. So let me go ahead and take Vada off so I can show you what that cap looks like. Like I mentioned earlier, we have that double monofilament top. So if you don't know what that means that here up at the top, that's where you have your traditional monofilament, where all the strands are sort of sewn and knotted by hand into place individually. Well, on the underside of that, kind of like Charlie Brown's sweater, how it's kind of zigzaggy up here, you get an extra layer to protect your scalp that's underneath that monofilament. So it's nice and silky, very smooth. We have open wefts on the side and in the back. There's a slightly extended nape, but just a little bit here in the back, and it adjusts a bit like a bra. We also have closed ear tabs here. This is a really beautiful, natural, light blonde, sort of like a platinum. A little bit more like a light champagne in my opinion than a platinum, but very pretty, very light blonde. And there is a fair amount of hair on here. I just finished reviewing Heather by Estetica, which has a very light amount of hair on it. This feels like a lot of hair by comparison. And just remember, double monofilament tops will trap heat. So if you experience hot flashes or you live in a really warm climate, you may want to save these for when either you're not having hot flashes or for when the weather kind of cools down, because it does trap heat. You might also want to consider wearing a liner, cotton liners in particular. I have one right here. They're really nice. Now they're not good for holding your hair in, so you might want to wear a regular wig liner for that. So to wear these liners, you basically just put it on right on top of your scalp, almost like this is a sock for your head. Don't wash these with fabric softener, it will stretch them out. And then they won't stay in place very well. And so what you'll want to do is kind of tuck this back so that's behind that double monofilament. And make sure it's tucked in all the way around. And it will protect your head from the wig's construction if you have a sensitive scalp, Like a lot of folks undergoing chemotherapy, these are really great. They help a lot when you're trying to wear your wigs and your scalp's a little sensitive. Same thing if you've got lupus, though if you have open sores, you should certainly try to stay away from wearing wigs until those are cleared up, just to give, you know, your skin some time to breathe. Anyhow, beautiful wig. Wears really well, kind of roughed up, yucky type texture, but very pretty, very professional. I like this one a lot. It's really, really classic. So this is Vada from Amore. And the color, again, has been creamy blonde. I'm Heather. Check us out. We're at CysterWigs, CysterWigs.com. Thanks so much for watching our videos. Hopefully you like this wherever you are, whether you're on Instagram or on YouTube. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.